everyone, and welcome to the advanced Theta ULS test flying, and it is unbelievable. I'm in Lake Annecy. I am in an 8-up climb, and this glider is just sublime to fly. Top of the stack, and it is just unbelievable. This flying machine.
Not that there's much wind.
This flying machine is unbelievable for mountain flying. I am so happy with this wing. I can't tell you. So agile, so easy to thermal.
I know. When you were coming.
Just turn that down, sorry. We're here fly guiding, so we got customers with us. But I've not flown a glider that feels so intuitive. Strong thermals. I've got a bit of a one finger wrap on just because I'm above the teeth in Annecy and it can get rough here. But man, this wing is off the charts cool. Off the charts. And I know I always say it, I'm keeping this one. I am honestly keeping this one for a few years. So I'm also in the boundless harness, and I love this harness as well. Bit rough here now, just put a bit of pressure on. Here goes another climb. Woo. 8 up straight away. Let's take this one. So I'm in the boundless harness. Love it, absolutely love it. Like I said on the launch site, so comfortable. As soon as you launch, you're in it. There's no waggling, you're just in. I love it, love the harness. This harness with this glider is a really good setup. Anyway, I think I'm going to try and cross the lake. 6,500 feet. 6-up climb. Let's go for it. See if we can cross the lake. Sean, you on channel?
I'm on channel, mate. So down in the landing field is Richard Elliott, Richard Crover, myself, Angela and Andy, I presume, are coming over this way in here. So the only two up there was Chris and Sean. So I can't see them flying.
Okay, copy that. I'll go back from Plum Fade to launch, see if we can see them at 8,000 now.
We've got plenty of time then. There's a lot up on above launch at Plumfade, so whether they're playing there and they're not going to go on radio because they're busy thermaling, I don't know.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Struggling here a bit. This is where this wing is mega. Really light, scratchy climbs. I've jumped the lake and I'm really scratching my way up in 0.5s. I think this is where this wing is really good. Well, to be fair, it's been good everywhere. Ace wing. Quite rough now. I just feel totally safe on it. Up.
No way, we can see you now, we're watching you.
Where you've really got to keep.
Ian and Angela, if any of you are on radio, do you copy over?
This is where you've really got to be on your pressure when you go over the back of the hill, especially spine back. This wing is bloody wicked. Okay, Sean, heading to you now, straight to the landing field. So I've been up over 2 hours now. This wing, even in slightly bumpy conditions, is just so sweet. Just a one finger wrap and it just rattles through anything. I haven't had a single tuck on it yet. Bloody awesome bit of kit, really happy with it. She's a keeper. And the harness, it's totally sublime harness. So comfortable. I love these side pockets here. The sides come up like a, you got thermal, sorry, like a bucket seat. Beautiful harness. Definitely recommend this if you're a beginner or an advanced pilot. I really would recommend this for anyone. I've been up in it now for over 2 hours and it's really comfortable. You don't need a pod really unless you're competing. Everybody buys pods now. Most people don't need them. So if you're a budding pilot and you want to do a bit of fly guiding and up your level and your confidence and your skills thermaling and XC, book with me now. This is Lake Annecy. Yes! All the students are off, they've all landed bar one. Mega. Bloody hell, very strong lift, very strong thermals now. Once you're hard to get up, but once you're up, very strong. Fuck yeah. I can see you. Good try. That was hard to get up, mate. That was hard. Yeah, I can see you, Richard McCrogan. I can see you. I hit the climb about 100 metres in front of you there, Richard. Hopefully you'll hit the same bit of lift. try and follow me over this gap ridge until you've got much more altitude. You want to find a thermal before you follow me over here to the teeth. I'm keeping that wing.
You heard it here first, guys.
Keeping that wing. It's